Hello everyone, welcome to my low budget product review. The review might be low budget, but the product I'm going to show you is not. It's very expensive and I cannot buy it, so I had to go to the shop. Actually, I had to sneak into the shop to do this review for you, and yeah, it's for you, so you are as much guilty as I am. Let's go. Here I am outside the Sony showroom. I'm looking for WH1000 MX5, this one, and the price is almost 1800. And the product, you can see, this is really good. I have this box, you can see. Let's open it. This box is made of paper, so it's very eco-friendly, and in the box we have this cable if you don't want to use the Bluetooth, and we have some paper thingies here, the usual things. It's too hard to open with one hand. Let me try. Yeah, see, some normal things, the manual and maybe the paperwork. That's it. Here is the carry box of the product. It's very good. Oops. And here you can see the product itself. It's very premium. The quality is very premium, and you can see the Sony branding here. Let me show you a close-up of what they have. They have 5 of these microphones for the voice cancellation. They have this 3.5 mm jack on-off switch and this button for noise cancellation or ambient sound mode. They have this USB-C charging port and some other microphones here. They use all these microphones to gather noise from outside and do their magic as noise cancellation. Let me hear some songs for you to check the audio. It's very good. Yes, of course, it's very good. And the noise cancellation is like magic. But if you want to hear anything, just put your hands here and you can hear the outside noise of your friends or family or anything. And I just heard them coming, so I need to go back to my home. Hello everyone, welcome to my home. I hope you liked the product as much as I did. I could not buy the product, but you can just go to any Sony showroom and you can buy it from there. Don't mention my name as a promo code or anything. They will not give you any promotional discount for me. They're still looking for me. Bye. I'm not here.